Welcome back to another video of Compact Saurav. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create the shortcut icons of shutdown and restart on your desktop. Whenever you have seen this on anyone's other PC that there is an icon of shutdown and there is an icon of restart, you may be confused at that time if you don't know how to create this. There is a process to make the icons of shutdown and restart on your desktop, and when you double click on this icon of shutdown, then your PC shutdowns, and when you double clicks on the icon of restart, then your PC restart. There is a process, and you can also done if you have operating system of Windows. It can only possible on the operating system of Windows, means Windows operating system. If you have a Windows PC, then continue watching this video till end and you maybe understood how to create these shortcut icons. Then now jump into the video. Now come on my computer screen and know how to create this. We have come on our desktop screen. Now I am going to tell you how to create the icons of shutdown and restart. So firstly, I have given the link of a file in description box. You have to download it, which name is shortcut.txt. Okay, firstly, how to create the icon of shutdown. Now for it, we have to right click on desktop and here to choose new, then shortcut. Okay, now it is saying that type the location of the item. The location of the item is given in this file. Okay, this is the location of the file. Then right click, then copy. Okay, then paste into it. Okay, then next, here it is coming that slide to shutdown, but we will only use shutdown and rename it. We have renamed it, and now let us finish. There is an icon like shutdown. Okay, then right click on this icon and properties, then go on the change icon, then okay, then here is the icon of this type, then okay, then apply, then okay. Then it is a shutdown type icon has been created, and if we double click on this icon, the our computer will be shut down. Okay, now I will create the icon of the restart on our desktop. For it, firstly we have to right click, new, shortcut, and the file location, type the location of the item. In this file we have given the right click and copy it and paste into it. Okay, then next, here we should type restart. Okay, restart. Okay, then finish. This is the icon of restarting. When we double click on this icon, our computer will restart, and right click, go on properties and change icon. Okay, choose this icon. Okay, apply. Okay, our restart and shutdown icon has been finished, and you can restart and shut down using this icon. You have to download this file from description box. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you have any doubt in this video, you can comment in the comment box. Thanks.